This time we stayed at Hidden Cove RV Resort in Arley, Alabama. It's a Thousand Trails campground. The sites are very wide and nice and long there. We spent one night in the middle of the new section where the pull-throughs are. And then for another 3 weeks, we spent time right on a lot along the lake. Stay tuned and see places to go and where to eat. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We enjoy touring the area on our Spyders, so we like to ride them to go to restaurants and to tourist areas. Clarkston Covered Bridge, sometimes called Leg Bridge. This 270-foot bridge was constructed in 1904, destroyed by a flood in 1921 and rebuilt the following year. The only remaining covered bridge in Goldman County, Alabama. It was restored by the Goldman County Commission in 1975. That's a long bridge.
Yeah.
Wonder what used to travel through here, huh?
Horses and wagons.
Uh-huh.
Smells like Grandma's attic.
It does. Even being outside.
Yeah.
Love that sound. This cabin's just outside the bridge, and they take donations here.
Did you say you can go in it? No.
No, you can't. It's not open now. No, wheels not one today. That's a very pretty area. Here's the bridge. This is the Brothers restaurant at the dead end of a road on Smith Lake.
He's not doing a good job with him. He's not a until we turn out.
I'm a cowboy.
Natural Bridge is the longest rock arch east of the Rockies. It was formed 200 million years ago when the sea washed the sandstone away, leaving iron ore veins holding the bridge. Let's go through this little cabin to start your tour. $350 for adults, $250 for kids. Ooh. Hi. Oh, this is a neat store. This is the start of the trail to go to the Natural Bridge. This is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Mother Nature, huh?
I love the one single tree growing up. Had to go a long way to find sunshine.
They have these stepstones and railing so you can walk around inside of here. It's cool. They have a mile-long loop trail in here, so bring your beverage and come take a little hike.
Bring your walking stick.
We are eating at the Trident Marina Grill right on the lake. Gonna try out their Reuben. People are getting out now. This is Sue's Simple Bakery and Bistro. It's just down the street from the park. And they have good homemade food in here. Ice cream, great sandwiches. They do cakes and stuff like that as well. They're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. It's only $1.85 for a big ice cream cone. Awesome looking sandwiches. Dave had a huge waffle cone. It was only $2.95. I think it was giant. Good, huh? We rode the bikes about an hour to go to Los Cabos, a Mexican restaurant, and it was excellent. In fact, we went back again a few days later. It was so good, and the prices were great. Because of COVID, they had a QR code that you could use with your phone to see their menu. We're going for a boat ride with Dave and Mimi, our next door neighbors. Same boat I had years ago.
Yep. Same color.
Probably the same. Was it that color?
Yep.
I was thinking it had red in it.
Maybe it was red. Red and black. Good. Doing good, my man.
Rock Creek Mission, God's floating church. Makes for a nice view, for sure. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.